Light Bulb Moments here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to do a search on Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a powerful research database that allows you to search for articles, papers from various journals or conference proceedings on various topics from health to education to politics, etc. So for you to go to Google Scholar, you just search for Google Scholar on Google, of course, on your browser, and then you select Google Scholar, and then you can begin searching. For example, if you want to search on COVID-19, you will get results, over 1 million results. So if you want to filter through these results so that you can get results that are specific maybe to a certain year or a certain time span, then there are these filters over here. So if you want to only view articles published or papers published since 2020, you click on 2020 and the results will reduce to 37,000. If you want to view results that were published between a certain time span, then you have this custom range where you can enter. Maybe you want to see articles that were published from 2015 to 2020, and then you click on search. So these results will increase when you click on search. They've increased to 610,000. If you don't want to see patents, you just check on this. If you don't want to include citations, you just check on this, and you'll notice the results have changed. Also, if you want to do an advanced search, which is better if you're an advanced researcher, so you click on this menu bar here, and there's this option for advanced search, which allows you to perform a more targeted research or to develop or design a search string or a search query. So you just fill in on these fields. For example, the first one says find articles with all of the words. If you want to find all articles with COVID-19 pandemic, then the next one with the exact phrase, find articles with this phrase, or you could decide to put an hyphen there. Find articles with at least one of the words. You can say at least COVID-19. COVID and 19 will be taken as two words. Find articles without the words. You can say virus. Find articles where my words occur anywhere in the article or just on the title. It depends with what you want. You can also find articles that have been authored by a specific author, where you write the name of the author, or articles published in a specific journal or conference proceeding, or articles that have been published within a certain time span, where you just enter the time span and then you click on search. So we had 615 results and now we have 18,100 results. So guys, I hope that you've learned something on how to search on Google Scholar. And I hope as you write those dissertations, those essays, and those theses, you have the right skills to do a proper search on Google Scholar. So how do you cite all these articles, or if you've seen an article that is relevant, how do you cite it? So before you cite any article, I would advise that you first click on it and read the abstract section of it to see whether it has relevant information that might be useful for your area of study. If it does, on Google Scholar, there's this you click on this cite icon and you will be able to get various options. If you want to cite using APA style, then this is how you'll do it. If you want to cite using Harvard referencing, this is how you do it. Again, if you're using referencing tools like EndNote and RefMan and RefWorks, then you click on them here, and then you'll be able to save a particular reference and refer to it on your work. Also, another thing to point out is that when you're going through all these articles, it is important to select one that will allow you to read, or rather one that has a full text available. And the way you know that that particular article has a full text available is, for example, when there's a link and it says HTML, PDF, or an HTML or a PDF version of that particular article is available. So I hope that you will enjoy your reading and your research. And one more thing, if you find an article useful and you've cited it, you can go ahead and also see other people who have cited it. Maybe their work might also be relevant to your work. So by clicking on cited by, or you can view related articles that have spoken about this particular area that you're researching on. So good luck with your research, and I hope that this has been helpful. So don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to my channel so that I can be encouraged to do more of these videos. Thank you very much and goodbye.